Good evening, everybody. This is our 12th class. Do you remember your last class? And we were learning about the parts of the body. And here we have another exercise in the page 43. Now, you have to read the instructions, read and circle, then color. I have a foot or feet. It's or they're green. Number 2. I have fingers. It's they're pink. The next, number 3. I have legs. It's or they're brown. Number 4. I have a body or head. It's the orange. Here we have some parts of the body, if you can see them. The number 1, what are these? This is a foot. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3 fingers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 legs. Now, and the number 4, here we have a body. Here we have a body because it doesn't have a head. Where is the head? I don't know. Here doesn't. There isn't a head. Now, foot, fingers, legs, and body. I'm going to give you some seconds to answer. Finish? Okay, let's see. Number 1, the answer is foot because we have just one foot. Number 2, the correct answer is fingers because we have 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. Number 3, I have legs. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs. So the correct answer is legs. Number 4, here we have a body because the monster, it doesn't have a head. So I have a body. Okay, now let's review again, but now with the color. Now here we have just one. So I have a foot. And you have to choose its because it's singular. It is singular. Number 2, I have 3 fingers. So you have to choose their because they are plural. They are pink. Now the next one, I have 5 legs. 5 legs. So you have to choose their because they are plural. They're brown. I have a body. just one. You have to choose, it is singular. You have to choose its. It's orange. One. Okay? It's orange. Now, let's repeat. I have a foot. It's green. I have 3 fingers. They're pink. I have 5 legs. They're brown. I have a body. It's orange. Now let's go to the next exercise. Here we have another monster, and the instructions say write in color. Do you remember what do you have to do here? Do you remember? Here we have some words, and I was repeating you all the time that what you have to do with these words. One is, so you have to write them again. Trace them with colors. Here you have to trace them with colors, like in class. Okay, I have one head. It's red. And after trace these words, you have to color the part of the body. Here, red, head. So you have to color this. I have one head. It's red. Red. I have 6 arms. They're black. 6 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Black. I have 4 feet. They're blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're blue. I have 8 toes. They're yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're yellow. Okay? A red head, black arms, blue feet, yellow toes. Okay, then these are the feet. Okay, let's go to the next page, the page 44. Now draw and write. Here we have a teddy bear, a very weird teddy bear, because it has 2 heads, 4 arms, and 4 legs, 1 body. Okay, now draw and write. Number 1, I have how many heads does the teddy bear have? Let's see. I have heads. Where are the heads? The heads are this and this. I have arms. How many arms? The arms are this and this. This and this. I have legs. 1, 2, and you have to count the rest. I'm going to give you some seconds to do it. Well, let's go to the listening. Here we have a listening. Listen and draw. So you have to draw the parts of the teddy bear. You have to listen carefully to draw the correct parts of the teddy bear. Okay, well, I'm going to give you some seconds to listen to the audio and draw. I'm going to give you more time because here I can't give you the answers, so you have to do it by yourself. Now I'm going to give you around 1.5 minutes.
Page 44. Activity 9. Listen and draw.
I have 2 heads. I have 3 arms. I have 6 fingers. I have 4 legs. I have 4 feet. I have 8 toes.
Page 44. Activity 9. Listen and draw.
I have 2 heads. I have 3 arms. I have 6 fingers. I have 4 legs. I have 4 feet. I have 8 toes.
Okay, finish. Now let's go to the page 45. Let's see. The instructions say look and tick. Look and tick. Clean or cross? Not clean. Okay, great. If something is clean, yes, if something is clean, you have to put a tick. If something is not clean, I mean dirty, you have to write a cross. If something is not clean, cross. If something is clean, tick. Clean, tick. Dirty or not clean, cross. Okay? Now, here we have number 1. Here we have a kid with his dog. Here we have a kid. He's drinking milk. And here we have a kid that is making his bed. So I think that he is, and you have to put the answer here. Here we have a girl, and she has a rabbit, but she's on the grass, and I think that she is on the water too. Yes. Here, okay, here she is washing her hands and she's eating. Okay, she's eating her sandwich. You have to put the answer here. Think about this. Think about this. And if the kid is clean or not, if the girl is clean or not. I'm going to give you some seconds to do it. Okay, now I'm going to help you with the answers. The kid is touching his dog and then he is drinking milk. Then he is making his bed, but he never wash his hands, so gross. He is not clean because after touching his dog, he is drinking milk and then he is making his bed. He's touching his bed, so it is not clean. Gross. The girl is on the water, she is on the grass, and she is playing with her rabbit. But she washed her hands. She washed her hands after touching the rabbit. And then she is eating a sandwich. So, after she washed her hands. So, she is clean. That is the correct answer. Let's go to the next exercise. Here you have to draw and write. My body is not clean and my body is clean. So here you have to write, you have to draw yourself but dirty. And here you have to draw yourself but clean. Okay? Draw yourself clean and draw yourself dirty. Okay, do you remember what's dirty? Dirty is when you have some um, maybe ground or I don't know, when you have some spots of food or maybe I don't know, something that is dirty. Now I'm going to give you some seconds to do it, and then we are going to continue. Okay, well, if you finished, congratulations. So this is the end of the class. Take care, don't go outside, and to the next class.